Okay, guys. Good morning to you all. Good morning, my lovelies, and happy new month to you guys. Welcome to the month of May. I want to talk about something. Now, what I want to talk about is that it is not only witchcraft power or terrestrial power or attack that comes from your neighbors that you battle in a particular place where you're doing business or in a place where you live. You might also be battling occultic power. Do you understand? You might also be battling occultic power. I didn't want to talk about this topic. I didn't want to talk, but I was led this morning to speak about it that someone needs it. So that's why I'm talking about it. Now, you might be battling occultic power. That's your landlord or your landlady might be an occultic person, which means that your landlord or your landlady might be a ritualist. Now, a lot of persons feel like when you hear ritualist, I don't buy person. It is not every occultic kingdom that, buys or has the blood of somebody. Do you understand? Now, it is not every. Sometimes they will demand for the destinies of whoever that move into that particular spot, that particular house or that particular shop. The destinies of that person that they operate with. It is your destiny that they will use to operate. Now you move into a particular property, and that place where you park enter is where you stay there 3 years, 4 years. You never feel buy one thing enter that place. You never feel buy one pin like this enter that house. To a shop self na problem. Not that you're not working. You're working. When you park into that place, you had a business. You had a very thriving business. The business was doing well. Then because you move into that place, the business stopped doing well. And right now, you eat from hand to mouth. The business not they work again. Now you went somewhere, they say, okay, go and settle your chi. You have done the work. You don't feel that. You feel that the right way still here. The issue still persists. They say, okay, go and give things to terrestrial power, and they're telling you, your landlord and your landlady is a witch. When you want carry this, you go give terrestrial power. Now your landlord will tell me you pack. If he tells me you pack, me you know say na wish. Now you do that terrestrial appeasement. You do am. Your landlord sit down for us. I said they look you, they do am, he not answer you, because I not be when she be. He's not a witch, because he knows that thing that you are doing is not go work. He know what you do, and he knows that thing is not the solution to the problem that is on ground that you are facing, that you are experiencing, that you are going through. He will not say a word. He will not speak. He not go follow you call. He not tell me you pack. That landlord not tell me you pack. You understand? Because that is not the solution. Now you are in a business space, you are selling, you are making sales. You'll not be saying they sell. You don't do that place 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, 7 years, 8 years, 4 years. What do you call it now? You don't do that place for the past 30 years. We did it, you do business. You not go feel posted this now waiting you buy with this business money. But you are selling, You they sell. Don't be saying you know they sell. You can't they borrow money, they support the business, and you are making sales. You know they shop past your profits. Do you understand? It's just that you are not seeing the money safe. You know that you are not an extravagant spender. You are not spending, but you're not seeing the money. You have done everything. They say go and feed your chi. You don't go feed chi. You do the work right. Still yet, that business aspect, problem still there. You are not battling witches. You are battling an occultic person. Now, a lot of you feel like an occultic people know they go to church. Let me tell you, that not Nollywood, reality, they go to church. Even in some cases, that they are occultic kingdom, that they are meeting inside church, they hold them. Inside church, now they hold their own meeting. You understand? They go to church. Now Nollywood presenters say they know they go to church. But in reality, they attend churches, they go to church. The power that is in that church that your pastor attend, now the same power will be say they settle for the occultic side. Do you understand? Do you get it? You are there, you are doing business, you are not seeing yourselves. And sometimes you have dream where you see that somebody comes to buy things from you on credit. Now, this particular face might be your neighbor's face, not be your neighbor. Not be your neighbor. Now, the power within that occultic kingdom, now they call collect things from you on credit. Now they call take from you. It is not your neighbor. Not suspect the neighbor. Not be the neighbor, do you? Now, the power, now they can't collect from you. Now that neighbor, if they carry your name, they waka. I'm not saying the neighbor is 100% innocent, because some they carry person name, they waka. Now that your neighbor, if they carry your name, they waka from one place to the other. But that one way you get to do with that your business, it might not be that your neighbor. You might be battling occultic power. You go get the dream, say they can't collect something from your shop. You go get the dream, say I'm the pastor can't steal something from your shop, or they can't steal from your house. armed robbers came to rob you in your house or your shop. Now, that one is not just talking about physical armed robbers. Now, physical armed robbers might come, but they might not come. That one is talking about that you have a spiritual armed robber. Somebody is stealing from you spiritually. That is what that dream is all about. But you look at it and you say, I beg you, now physical, make I just pray. They might go pay vigilante money, my another person to guide my shop for me. Now, that particular dream is telling you that somebody is stealing from you spiritually. In that place, that if not your business, you take get that dream, now that your business, they steal from you spiritually from that your business. If not from your house, they are stealing from you from your house spiritually. Do you understand? You are battling what? Occultic. Not witchcraft. Not terrestrial power. But occultic. That house, better darkness, that cover that place. Confirmed darkness, that cover that place. When you want to fight your spiritual battle, you have to go spiritual. You understand? Now you throw things for ground. Your landlord go take corner, they look, you not go answer your question. You know answer because you know see that way they do not be there the solution day. You know go tell you, what do they do? What do they speak all those items for ground? Well, you know go ask you because you know say yes, not be there. But the moment you start praying, the right prayers that you're supposed to pray, it go call you quick notice, make you pack. The same landlord will be say you the owe rent. He tells you, no, don't worry. Don't bother. Do you understand? Landlord will say, I need my landlord nice because why? You go tell us landlord, I'm not getting rent. You go say, no worry. Anytime you get give me. You go, my landlord is a very nice person. That landlord not nice anything. No. They hear me so? That landlord not nice anything. They collect the rent one way or the other. That landlord, they collect the rent in another way. He not nice anything. Now you the say nice. You the say they play smart. My landlord they disturb me. If I go back, you go just hear me. Because say man not worry for the rent. Your landlord not nice anything, no. That your landlord they collect rent one way or what or the other. They collect the rent from you spiritually. He not nice anything. Now you they say nice. He not nice. So the first way for you to fight this thing off is for you to clear every debt so you the whole land. If you not say yes, you the whole rent. Go pay your rent. Pay few months ahead, safe. Do you understand? Pay few months what ahead. Pay them everything. If you like me the whole 5 years rent, pay every 5 years rent. If you like me that rent, they updated. Make it all day to the whole last 6 how many years? Pay. Go and pay. Clear all the debt. May you know say you know the whole any debts. You understand? May you know say you know the wait, you know the whole waiting debt. Any rentage, you know the whole rent. You don't understand me? Clear every. When you have done that, go and settle your chi. Because you need the spirit to speak for you in the spiritual realm. You need spirit to go fight your battle for you for spiritual realm. Go settle your chi. If you notice you get deities, settle all your deities. Settle all the spirit will follow you come life. You understand me? Settle all of the way follow you come life. Do you get? Now when you have done that, enter prayer. Did you tell you so? Enter prayer. Now the landlord will tell me you pack. Then we go tell you say, come, where you? Come out from my ass. You not do anything. All the while where you the whole rent, it not pursue you. All the while where you the whole 4 years rent, it not pursue you. It not pursue you. But the moment you start to channel your prayer, you just channel the prayer the right way. You are praying against every occultic power, every occultic kingdom. You they pray against them. You they cast them. Anything they don't take from you, you take them back. Anything they belong to you, whether they are altar, you collect them back. Your landlord will tell me you pack. You know the whole rent right now. Go see me you pack more for me place. Go tell me you pack. Go tell me give 1 week. Or 2 months, or 3 months, or 4 months when you take pack. You understand? That time, they call attack you, tell me stop to the pray. See, come. You see that prayer, your prayer, they disturb me. Stop to the pray that night prayer. That your night prayer, they disturb me. Stop to the pray that night prayer. That night prayer, they disturb me. Now they pray. Now you there, yeah? Now you be telling us when I get for this copper. Now you be telling us when I get for you. What's the apple? Where you go to pray. What's the apple? Come not disturb me again, no. Not try more. Not disturb me again, no. You know the progress for that compound. The landlord know may you do what go, may you progress. Because why? It they benefit from you not progressing. It is you go call they give you wahala. Say me you pack. Go tell me you now you go call pursue you, may you pack. And when you tell me you pack, find house, may you pack. Not beg her, not tell her say okay, find house, may you come out there. Not beg her say I beg now, find house, may you shift, may you come out. May the next person will walk up inside, may the next person battle that battle. Find ask me you come out, you don't take what to be your own, everybody they prepare, you they hear me. And even you say you go see dream about actually don't take